How are you all? Today I will tell you how to grow your YouTube channel and I will give you some tips. If you think this video has been very helpful to you, then subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Create your YouTube channel properly and then leave it for a few days and decide on the topic. You need to make videos about the topic you want to make videos about, because if you make videos with different content, your videos will not get views. And if you download and upload someone else's videos, then strike will replace it on the video. And the hashtags you use in your video should be used according to the content of your videos, and copyright music should not be used. Always try to use copyright free music. And when giving a description, you should give a description according to the type of video you made. And always try to follow the guidelines strike. If you don't follow the community guidelines, YouTube won't be monetize you. If you can follow these steps, you can easily monetize your YouTube channel. So that is for today's video. See you again another video. Goodbye.